Hi, this is Jasper, and I'm your new bike buddy. Mga bike buddies, panibagong share na naman. So nag-share ako last time ng rare collection ko. Well, na-collect ko siya, but then again, binibenta ko yung iba. Ito yung Sunrays na derailleur set. But this time ito, isa sa mga pinaka-rare din na na-acquire ko through my bicycle life or cycling life, if you may call it, is ito. Charan! It's an original Patria arch bar frame. Cruiser, single speed. Sobrang very narrow yung dropout spacing niya, and then horizontal dropout siya. So I think this is a pre-war frame. Not really sure because Patria is a bicycle brand by Kairos. Kairos has been they're the first Philippine bicycle manufacturing. So they made models like Patria and MBM quality. So yan, arch bar. Very, hindi ko na gagalawin yung patina niya. But ito na siya. Arch bar cruiser, single speed. Steel na steel. I think it's going to be hard to restore it because ito, katulad nito, meron ng biyak. And this seat post it's been stuck forever. So baka mahirap nang tanggalin dyan kasi medyo pre-war pa to, and then yung mga lugs niya, ayan, may butas na. But it's a good display piece. Ayan. Pero kung kita nyo, solid steel. Bottom bracket. So I think ito nabaon to somewhere, and then nahukay na lang. But if I would really restore it, dadalhin ko siya sa fabricator, patatanggal ko to, papaayos ko yung lugs. Maraming aayusin kasi kahit ito, I think nabiyak na to, winilding na lang, hindi maayos yung pagkaka-weld. And then, or I'm not too sure kung ganyan talaga yung design yan kasi nung unang panahon pa to eh. But yeah, wala akong mahanap na serial somewhere, given na pre-war siya, except for this. That one, this is the most precious thing about this. And ito yung tatanggalin ko siya, and then this will become a display piece. Siguro pa tatap coatan ko na lang ng ganyan, and then display piece siya sa bahay. But then I will have to get this because I have a project na I will need this as well, because I have another Patria that I need to build and I need this piece for. So hopefully madalian lang to, but it seems hindi kasi mukhang nakadikit na siya dyan. So titingnan natin kung paano natin siya matatanggal. Alright, but this is another share, another piece of history na ayan, sobrang ganda, sobrang nakaka-amaze na for a century na, I don't know, 40, sorry, almost a century na frame, buhay pa siya, nandiyan pa siya, and solid pa siya. Right, so this will go to my collection except for this one. Tatanggalin ko na yan. Then yeah, tatry ko. Right, that's my Patria arch bar.